Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most surprising ways you can make money. You won't believe some of these. We're talking about getting paid to sleep, eat, and even hug people. Yeah, you heard that right. We're going to uncover 8 crazy ways people are raking in the cash that you've probably never even thought of. Some of these are straight up wild, but hey, if it puts money in your pocket, who are we to judge? So buckle up, because things are about to get weird, wonderful, and potentially profitable. Let's jump right into it. Imagine getting paid to sleep. I'm talking about becoming a professional sleeper. Believe it or not, companies actually hire people to test out mattresses and sleep products. These companies want to know how comfortable their products are, and who better to judge that than someone who spends hours sleeping on them. You could be the one giving feedback that helps create the world's most comfortable mattress. So if you love to sleep, this might be your dream job, literally. No more alarm clocks, no more grumpy mornings, just pure paid relaxation. If you love food, this one's for you. We all know someone who can put away an insane amount of food, but did you know you can actually make a living from it? Competitive eating is a real thing, and these guys and gals are raking in the dough. We're talking about entering eating contests, taking down mountains of hot dogs, and walking away with cash prizes and sponsorships. It takes serious skill and stomach capacity, but hey, if you're up for the challenge, why not get paid to eat? Yes, you heard that right. Professional huggers get paid to give people comforting hugs. It might sound crazy, but there's a real need for human touch and connection. Think about it. In a world that's increasingly digital, sometimes a good old-fashioned hug is all you need. Professional huggers provide that warmth and comfort, and people are willing to pay for it. It's a job that's all about spreading love and positivity, and who wouldn't want to get paid for that? Loneliness is a real issue, and some people actually pay for companionship. That's right, you can get paid to be someone's friend and spend time with them. Now, before you start thinking this is some kind of weird dating service, it's not like that. It's about providing genuine companionship, whether it's going to the movies, grabbing coffee, or just having someone to talk to. It's a way to make someone's day brighter while earning some extra cash. A win-win in my book. Okay, this one might not be the most glamorous job on the list, but hey, money is money, right? Pet waste removal services are in high demand, and someone's got to do it. Think about it. People love their pets, but not necessarily cleaning up after them. That's where you come in, armed with your poop bags and scooper. You're on a mission to keep backyards clean and smelling fresh. It's a dirty job, but someone has to do it, and that someone could be you, earning a tidy profit while you're at it. Hate waiting in line? Well, some people will actually pay you to do it for them. Seriously, from concert tickets to new product releases, people are willing to shell out cash to avoid those long lines. Imagine this, you're getting paid to just stand there, maybe read a book, listen to music, or just soak up the anticipation. No more boredom, just easy money while you wait. So, next time you see a massive line, don't despair. See it as a money-making opportunity. Got long, healthy hair? You can actually sell it to wig makers and earn some extra cash. It's a great way to make money if you're planning a big chop anyway. Human hair wigs are in high demand, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for quality hair. So if you've been growing out your mane, maybe it's time to cash in. It's a unique way to make money while also helping someone in need of a wig. Talk about a win-win. Ever seen those street performers who pose as statues? They look totally still, almost unreal, right? Well, those guys are making bank from tips. It takes serious skill and patience to hold a pose for hours on end, battling the elements and the occasional curious pigeon. But if you've got the stamina and a knack for theatrics, this could be your calling. It's all about entertaining the crowd and creating a memorable experience. And the more impressive your act, the more tips you're likely to get. Thanks for watching. Which of these surprising ways to make money would you try? Let us know in the comments below. We had some crazy ones today, from professional sleepers to poop-scooping entrepreneurs, proving that there's more than one way to make a buck. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the world of unconventional jobs, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. We're always on the lookout for more mind-blowing ways to make money, so stay tuned.